Good morning, guys. I just woke up and I just feel like I look unlookatable. Like, I just feel like you that's watching this right now, you can't look at me. I'm gonna go do my little morning routine, which is just to rinse my face, not wash it with soap, and then I'm gonna brush my teeth, and I'll be back to tell you guys what I have planned for the day. Woke up later than usual. Normally I wake up at 8:30, but I couldn't sleep last night. But we're gonna talk about all that once I'm done doing my little morning thing for my face. Alright guys, so I'm in the bathroom now. I like to rinse my face because the night before I most likely washed my face really well, so I don't want to wash it again. But rinsing is a necessity because it just helps me wake up. But this is your girl. Oh, what's up? So whenever I wake up, I'm always very thirsty, but I don't like to drink water unless I brush my teeth. So I just got done brushing my teeth, and so I got my water. Yeah, I'm gonna put y'all right here. Turn this little baby on because we have to. Yeah guys, whenever I wake up, I know my bed is not made. I'm gonna make it. I'm actually trying to make that a habit, like making my bed whenever I wake up. It's supposed to help you like get an active or productive start to your day, which would be nice, honestly. But normally I get like a whole water bottle, and if I don't finish it, I get really close to finishing it. So I'm about to do that right now, and I can't wait, honestly. I am gonna go for a morning walk or a morning run. I don't know which, but where I live at, literally, it doesn't matter what time of day it is. People are always out running and jogging. I'm gonna go ahead and, not really do my hair, but like kind of prep my hair for my little morning jog because I'm gonna be seeing a lot of people. I like to spray my hair with water and like not touch it for a while so the water could like absorb and make my hair softer and more manageable. We're gonna go on our morning run. I'm gonna make something to eat, probably eggs. I need to add more protein to my diet, guys, because protein helps you lose weight, and I never knew that. I thought like protein, you know, like gain muscle, bulk up, but no, protein helps you lose weight. And for lunch, I'm thinking about making myself a salad, and for dinner, probably some type of meal with broccoli, or I might just make tacos. I'm not too sure yet. I have to clean my whole apartment, y'all, and I actually love cleaning my apartment.
Stop the cat.
But yeah, we're gonna do that, and it's gonna be a good day. I'm speaking it into existence. So like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair in a little puff. And I do have my hat I'm gonna put on because I live in Florida, so it is extremely sunny. All right, let's go get ready for our little morning run. Ooh. Okay, quick little update. I actually have to go and do the Lily Sabri workout. It's a 5-minute workout that is supposed to help you get abs if you do it for 7 days. So I'm actually doing that. I'm on day 3, and then I actually have to record me taking apple cider vinegar shots every single day. So I'm gonna do that too. You guys are gonna see all that. Oh my gosh, y'all are spoiled. But yeah, both of those are like 2 separate videos, so y'all only gonna get like a little glimpse of those, but still you saw it before everybody else. But after I'm done doing the Lily Sabri and apple cider vinegar, then I'm gonna go for my morning walk or jog. I am so freaking embarrassed. I just did my day 1 of taking the apple cider vinegar solution, and well, here's a little recap of what happened. Okay, but it was successful either way. Alright guys, so I'm back home. I'm trying to decide whether or not I should eat cereal, which I have my favorite cereal right here, or should I eat eggs and these soft taco tortillas. I think I'm gonna eat the eggs because the cereal is cool and everything, but I feel like it's not gonna fill me up as I would want it to, but the egg is actually gonna fill me up. Plus I have this avocado right here that is going bad. It's extremely soft right now, so I'm gonna eat it with the eggs and the hot dog. Yeah, I feel like that's a good plan. I'm gonna go ahead and make that. I'm still out of breath from running. I did a combination of walking and running. It was good vibes, and now I am starving. It is currently, hey Google, what time is it?
It's 12:38 p.m.
That is past 12, so I could eat. So let's go ahead and cook this breakfast. Oh, this baby's smoking. Okay, I see you. Yo, I just bought this little mini stove, and before it was not getting this hot, and now it's just showing off for the camera. Oh my god, I love it. This is gonna be the plate that I eat out of, since it's the plate that I cut the hot dogs off of. I'm gonna rinse this plate. Oh no. If I'm being completely honest with you guys, like the avocado is the main reason why I didn't put any vegetables in there, any onions, any green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, because I thought I was gonna have some avocado, and when I cut the avocado it was too late to cook any of those because the egg is basically almost done. So that sucks. Whew. Alright, this is the finished product. Really wish I had some avocados in there. Never gonna stop saying that. The reason that I add the lemon in the eggs is to give it a bit of freshness, and trust me, you don't really taste it like that. I think eggs are kind of disgusting. That's why I don't really eat them like that, but whenever I add lime to it, it just tastes so good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go rest. Finally, I'm gonna eat, watch a show, or like the beginning of a movie, and then once I'm done eating and everything like that, we're gonna get up, we're gonna clean the whole entire apartment actually, and we're gonna see where we're gonna go from there. Alright guys, so I'm back like a booty crack, and I'm done eating. Now I have to clean up the whole entire house, and then I have to shower because it's getting late, and yeah, that's dirty. But I have to get this work done first. Like, imagine if I showered before cleaning the house, like cleaning the kitchen, washing the dishes. Like, imagine then I have to come back and clean. Like, that doesn't make much sense, right? Basically, as you can see, my apartment, my studio is a mess. My kitchen, my closet, my bathroom is not so bad actually. I'm very proud of myself. Like, it's not even that bad in here, but I have to scrub over here because I hate when this gets too dirty, and I kind of have to rearrange these soaps and everything. That's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna take a shower. Like, it's hard to live life right, y'all. But yeah, let me go ahead and start cleaning, and I'm gonna talk to y'all either while I'm in the shower and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of that, or when I'm done with the shower. I'm not sure yet, but let's get to cleaning. I'm actually gonna like listen to music, but on the TV it's gonna be playing on Alexa, which is like all the way next to the kitchen window over there. Yes. That's my best friend. She a real bad boy best friend. If you need a freak. We don't know the words. It's okay. All right guys, so I'm basically done with the kitchen. Let me close this bad boy up. And I got some cleaning products. I'm gonna go to, oh, I still have to mop, by the way. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. So I'm gonna be using these to clean the bathroom, basically. I cannot wait to use this, and I don't have to put any gloves on because I'm gonna be using this to clean the tub. This is for the toilet bowl, you already know that. I should probably do the tub first. Let me do the tub first. I have to scrub this thing too. So I'm gonna be spraying all the tiles. Not gonna spray too much because last time I sprayed too much and I literally couldn't even breathe in here. Now I'm gonna go in with this Comet bleach. Alright, I'm gonna use this Gain Mr. Clean. It smells so good, y'all. If y'all don't know anything about me, just know I love, love, love the smell of Gain. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all, they should have came in like a spray bottle or something. That would have been way better. Ooh! See, because I have a feeling I'm wasting it. Oh, okay. It's looking crazy in here. I'm gonna get this glass cleaner, which is amazing, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it on here. I'm also gonna spray it on the tiles. Don't judge me. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the mirror because it's ready. But I'm just gonna scrub the tub, you know. What? The name of Jesus. This thing just opened by itself. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and scrub the tub, clean up the bathroom, and mop the house, to be honest. I'm tired. I'm gonna really get in there. Alright guys, so here is the tub. I'm still recording on my phone, but it looks so much better. It's so clean. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I don't know if I could keep going. Yeah, I can keep going.